So this is one single image, just one image to start with. Watch what happens when we give it about a minute. And now you've got all of this. It's automatically generated every format you need. A square for your feed, vertical for stories and TikTok, wide for YouTube, plus Pinterest and LinkedIn. Every format you actually need, created instantly. But it doesn't stop at static images. You get animated versions too. Check this out. Animations for stories, for YouTube, or anywhere you need high-end motion. Let's watch this landscape version. Look at those leaves and the lighting. That's all from one single image. The AI isn't just cropping, it's expanding the canvas to fit each format perfectly. Your products stay centered, and the AI fills in the background naturally. No awkward stretching, no lost details. All right, here's how you actually use this. Open the template, and it's yours. Head to the image input node. You can upload your own photography or use a prompt to generate something brand new, like this luxury perfume ad. Select your AI model, hit generate, and let it run. The system analyzes your image, identifies the product and the background, and begins expanding the canvas across all those different aspect ratios simultaneously. Square, vertical, wide, it's all coming together. And look at the animated versions rendering for the new brand. From a single prompt or image, you have a full campaign ready to go. The golden leaves, the lighting, everything is consistent. One image, every format, under a minute. The template is linked below. Just copy it, swap in your product, and you're ready to run it on every campaign. It's that simple.